So Samsung introduced the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro along with the Galaxy Buds 5 series, and of course this is the successor of the original Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. And I've used this device for 2 to 3 days, and I can finally say that this is finally Samsung's answer to Apple's AirPods Pro. So Samsung promises a lot of improvements over the original Galaxy Buds Pro, and one of the first improvement is the hi-fi audio. So Samsung claims that this thing can transmit 24-bit 48 kHz audio over Bluetooth for high fidelity audio. Well, I tested this on some of the supported platforms that support 24-bit audio like Amazon Music, and I'll say that only audiophiles will be able to clearly distinguish the quality between some of the lower audio quality and the hi-fi audio, but I think there is a certain bit of improvement. But there's a catch. This is only limited to Samsung Galaxy devices, so you need to own Samsung Galaxy device that run on Android 8 or One UI 4.0 and later. So this is exclusive to Samsung Galaxy device, which is a sad thing. Then the improvements are not just limited to hi-fi audio. Samsung also claims that this thing has 40% better noise cancellation than the original Buds Pro, and you can instantly notice the difference. When I put this on, this thing is much better than the Galaxy Buds Pro at noise cancellation. Those high frequencies noise cancellation is really good with this thing. Some office noises or even at the gym or at traffic, this thing does a much better job of cancelling those high frequencies compared to the Buds Pro. So this year Samsung has also focused on audio quality, and I can say that if not the best, this is probably top 3, top 2 in one, the best earbuds out there in terms of sound quality. When I put this on side by side with the Buds Pro, this felt instantly significantly better, not just instantly, significantly better in terms of the sound stage. The sound stage is quite wide, and even the warmth, it's much better, and the clarity is also better than the Galaxy Buds Pro. So this is definitely one of the best sounding earbuds out there right now. So one of the changes Samsung has made is the design. So this one is now 15% smaller than the Buds Pro, and Samsung has also gone for this matte soft touch like finish on both the case and the earbud, and this one is much better than the glossy finish of the Buds Pro. And this is also lighter than the Galaxy Buds Pro, and when you put it on ear, this one do not stick out of your ear as much as the Galaxy Buds Pro do. So this one has much better fit than the Buds Pro, and it also retains the same IPX7 rating as the Buds Pro. Now moving on, this one supports newer version of the Bluetooth. It's 5.3 compared to 5.0 on the Buds Pro. Likewise, there is no change to the battery life. So like the Buds Pro, this one has 5 hours with ANC on and 8 hours with ANC off. And with the case, you can get around 18 hours and 24 hours respectively. Moving on, if you're talking about some features, this one has 360 audio, voice detection feature, which turns on the ambient noise mode, which one we already had on the Galaxy Buds Pro version as well. And this one also has seamless switch, which only works between Galaxy devices. So you can switch between the mobile device, Samsung mobile devices and Samsung Galaxy Watches easily, but this one does not have true multi-point, so you cannot seamlessly switch between a laptop or a mobile device. So the Samsung Buds 2 Pro, I think, is a really good earbud. The improvements made on the ANC makes it really good for the price, and the sound quality is top notch. When you put this on, you'll instantly realize that these are one of the best earbuds out there right now. And also it supports hi-fi audio, but it is limited to Samsung devices. So if you own a Samsung device that runs on One UI 4.0 or later, this is really good. But for general Android devices as well, this earbud is probably one of the best out there right now. So this was our impression of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. If you want to know anything specific about this device, do let me know in the comments down below. And in meanwhile, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon as well. Until next time, namaste.